roots of those trees are very strong, like your family. And just as they did for you, your parents have gone to the ceremonial birthing grounds. And when they return, the circle of life will bring a blessing to you, Kiara, that you will never forget.
Man, he's good. He's such a visual storyteller. Yet it makes sense that he lives alone.
I just want the storm to pass. And then I promise to be brave.
I'll tell you a secret. When your father, Simba, was your age, he was afraid of the thunder and would hide behind the king.
When did he stop hiding?
One day, during a big storm, your grandfather, Mufasa, took your father to the very top of Pride Rock, told him to stand with him and howl into the wind. And Simba slowly stepped out with the king, and together they roared into the night.
But I'm not brave like my dad. And I could never be like Mufasa.
Is that so? Then maybe it's time I'll tell you a story.